In the quiet of my soul, you whisper clear. Every shadow fades when your voice draws near. No disguise can stand before your gaze. You uncover me with mercy and grace. Spirit of truth, come and breathe in me. Unveil my heart so my eyes can see. Where I've been blind, now let me believe. Spirit of truth, set my soul free. In the stillness, I surrender all. You lift the weight. You break my fall, every lie I've held. You gently erase. You replace my fear with perfect grace. Spirit of truth, come and breathe in me. Unveil my heart so my eyes can see. Where I've been blind, now let me believe. Spirit of truth, set my soul free. Shine your light where darkness hides. Burn away the pain inside. Lead me deeper, make me whole. Spirit of truth, restore my soul. Spirit of truth, you are my guide. Forever near, forever inside. Your voice of love will always be. The truth that sets my spirit free.